You guys might like it, you guys might not. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a try on, a swatch, and a review on the Cinnamon Toast Crunch eyeshadow palette by Tasty Beauty, and it looks like this. With that being said, let's get started. This is the packaging. Isn't this cute, you guys? This caught my attention immediately in the store, and my husband was like, just get it. I like the cereal. No judgment here. I like the cereal. So this is the bag, and of course over here at the bottom, 12 months, once open, cruelty free, and then it just lets you know like everything else. Let me read it for you guys. It says the directions for safe use, quote, use an eyeshadow brush to apply eyeshadow from palette and create animated looks, end quote. And then of course it states Cinnamon Toast Crunch and associated words, designs, and trademarks General Mills under license. So this is by General Mills. It is by General Mills as well, and they make the cereal, so this should be interesting. So this has a little like, so this has a mirror in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the mirror. This is cute. It's like the cereal box. And now these are the eyeshadows. These are so pretty, so cute. It has the little faces of like the main one, like these from the cereal brand. These are cute, and it does have a protection film. Let's see. So this one looks very glittery. This one looks somewhat glittery, like this one, and then this one looks matte, matte, and a little bit of glitter in these. So Cinnamilk, Cinnamoji, Cinnadust, Bold, Vibe, Toasty, Sweet, Go Crazy, Shine, Cinnamon, Crunch, Epic. You get it? Cinnamon Crunch. That's cute. I like that. I like this. So let's try it on. Let's take this protection film off. It has this little thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right here. It goes to the side. Oh, it goes to the back. It's right here. I don't like these little tabbies. Ta-da! And it is off. And I'm going to swatch them in the order that I always go, straight across, like that. Cinnamoji, Cinnadust, Bold, Vibe, Toasty, Sweet, Go Crazy, Shine, Cinnamon, Crunch, Epic. It's a peachy kind of vibe. Kind of like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch color. So far so good. It is blending very well, and I am able to build it up. Inner corner. Epic, which is like the other glitter one. Whoa. What would happen if I just... So far it's pretty and it's buildable, but it's not really showing up like the color that it has it on the palette. I'm gonna get the color Bold, and I'm just gonna blend all of this in together with the color Bold. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? On to the review. Final rating. Out of 5, I give this product a 2. The reason why I gave it 2 out of 5 is because I like the packaging. The packaging is really cute, and I also like that it has a mirror in here. The mirror is very cute, and I like that it matches the cereal box. The reason why I gave it the score is that these eyeshadows are very pretty. I was expecting them to swatch exactly like they look here, or even if they're a little bit lighter, but not fully kind of pale as you guys saw in the swatching and when I was applying it on my eyes. The only one that you can really see a lot is the Cinedust that I put in the inner corner, and then the shine that I put on the outer corner. I was trying to build up the Epic a lot and it wasn't working. Then I tried it with Bold to blend it all out. It didn't really work. The Go Crazy, it wasn't showing up. It doesn't show up. The Cinemoji is cute. It does show up well in my eyelid. So I'm just really kind of like, I had expectations for this palette, especially the eyeshadows, but they don't show up in my skin tone. They don't blend well. I also tried different brushes, like fluffy brushes. I tried like the more flat brushes, and it wasn't that. It was just the eyeshadows themselves. So I really wanted this palette to work. I really like the colors. The colors are cute, especially if you're going to use them for like your everyday palette or for school, for work, to a gathering that you don't want to put a lot of makeup. Then I recommend this palette. Will I be using this palette again? Yes, I will. I want to experiment a little bit more with the colors and see how I can make them stick on my eyelids and show up. Would I recommend this palette to you guys? I'm sort of on the fence, you guys. I mean, like I said, the packaging is cute. I don't know if it's my skin tone that they don't want to show up well, but let's say like half of the palette shows up, half of the palette doesn't show up. So I'm in between on whether I recommend it or not. Again, this is my opinion. It's on you guys if you guys want to go spend your time and your money on finding the palette, or if you just want to get it to add it to your collection. It's on you. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would, because I like the packaging a lot. I think it's very cute. So I will be using this palette for my everyday makeup as well. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.